That means all the three buttons. So that means on click, it has to call choose view. Into that, how you can send the details of the current button? You can do that by using $event. Generally, event is used by JavaScript to send only event properties. And this is used to send the object related properties. But we have a conflict with this here. That's the reason only $event is enough to send the details of both event related information and object related information. You can send by using this. All the three buttons on click, they have to call choose view and pass $event. That means the current details. On click, we have to pass the choose view and $event. So that means we are sending the object related details there. We have to collect that object related details here. E is a reference to collect the data coming from that event. Now, important is here, actually, the object related, object means button. Button related property, what is the property value? The value is what? Info. Another value is description. Another value is preview. These values of buttons we can access through this event reference. How? We have to use E. Through the event reference, we can access that. Through the event reference, we can access that. And we need to define here the event reference, like we need to configure E dot. Directly through E, we can access event related properties. So many event related properties are present. We can access all the event related properties. So every event have a lot of properties, like we have client X, we have client Y, like key code, character code. So many event properties are present. As of now, I just want here E dot, I can access target, E dot target dot value. So this target dot value is used to get the value of that button. So that means object related properties are accessed by using a target attribute. Actually, in JavaScript, we can directly access by using this. But here we can access by using this target. So we have to use target dot value. Actually, what should happen is nothing but this target value should be applied to this dot selected view is equal to the target value. That's how we are managing. That means target value is a reference of this button. That means the button value. What is the button value? If user clicks info button, that button value will be passed here. That means we can collect the value of the button and we can store that here. Now, important is this selected view is being used by our switch. You can see it is used by switch. That means now what happens here is when user clicks the second button, then the value description is passed into it. We collect that value description and assign to selected view. That means now selected view is changed from info to description. Now in the view, the switch verifies, is there any description case? and there is a description case, it will directly display and hides others. That means dynamically you are sending a value through the buttons. You can see now, I click on description, then only description will come. I click on preview, then only preview will come. Only the preview will come. I click on product info, only the product info will come. That means we are clicking on that particular button and we are switching between that design. That means we can display only what we need for that particular situation. Actually, we can access. So by using different types of techniques, design our wish, how to design our wish. I just created a simple tab-like navigation here. The main intention is not to hide the other details. When you inspect here, you can observe that here the content that is being displayed, it is displaying this card, and this card header and body, that is only related to product info. Product info related details are coming. Product details are coming here. When I click on preview, you can see that all the details are removed and only preview details are displayed here. You can see the switch is preview now. When it is preview, only preview related data will be here. Here, preview related header, only that card will. Preview card will be added. So rest of the cards are, you can see currently preview card is displayed. Description, only the description card will be displayed. Means it all other views from the UI, removing all other views from the UI and displaying only the specific. Actually, we can manage this from any location. Sometimes user wants, like suppose you can use a sequential navigation also here. How you can give a sequential navigation? You can give previous, you can give next like buttons. Not only buttons, you can use toolboxes. From there, user can select which view wants. We can pass the view and we can use the view, right? Dynamically, we can do in several ways. That's not like only through buttons. Any control can be used for navigation. Any control can be used for navigation. We can even use the combination of next, previous in a sequential order. For that, we will use one more technique here. As of now, so suppose not only buttons, suppose in the div, here I am adding another div as a class as a BTN group. And here we are using a select. And here we are defining class as a form control. And here we have an option. And option is having value. The value is info. And here I say product info. Another option we are having like value. Maintain the same case names, right? Description, and here description. And here we are adding an option, and the value is a preview. So preview, capitalization all matters. You need to be careful, right? Preview. Okay. And important, this is a drop down. I added a drop down inside the design. Here actually, let's keep this justify content between. justify content between